Welcome back, guys. Good to follow our channel. Today we'll like to show you just local updates for Illuvium. What's going on with this token now? First of all, guys, it's kind of weird, but yes, we have to confirm this cycle. It's not about gamify. And yes, these projects around here post a lot of just crazy partnership. Like, wow, it's gonna be just a amazing Web3 gaming. We joined from the Web2, we joined to the Web3. It's gonna be a revolution in the gaming industry, but nothing happened. Unfortunately, guys, yes, at least at this current moment. So this is a fact. So we can't just sit and wait. So yes, one day the gamify sector should pump. Maybe not. Maybe nobody care about the coins in the gamify sector. So yes, people can play the games, but they don't need to invest in tokens to play the games, for example. Or people not ready for that. Not ready for that gaming mechanic. The most positive case scenario, of course, guys, if we pump something some magic happened with the Illuvium, and we're gonna pump to 734 and 991. I don't believe in new all-time high for this token. 100% not. This is the most positive case scenario. Some conservative one is here. Yes, we drop so low, guys, so low. It's this is a week monthly gap. This is also monthly gap, and we dropped so low, even under than June 21 low. After that, I don't remember what's happened in this spike. You know, it was kind of weird. Something weird happened, you know, and I guess it's not on all exchanges. And even now we trade under the price what we form in June 2021. Imagine they work so hard on something. So a lot of partnerships. You can go to the Illuvium website, their social. They post a lot of partnership, but nothing happened. It's not affect the price at all, guys. This is a one more sad example. So for the metal, absolutely doesn't matter. Of course, when and if the liquidity will inflow into alts, we will see the BTC dominance under 55%. So yes, the token will pump, for example, to this area. Also in positive case scenario. Everybody started screaming, yes, it's just because we work. No, it's not because of your hard work, sarcastic hard work. It's just because pretty simple liquidity inflow and outflow. What is good moments? So now it's a low cap token. It's kind of weird, but yes, Illuvium, it's a low cap token. The token which was at 2,000, almost $2,000 per token. Now it's a low cap with 146 million market capitalization. But what is good moments, it's almost all tokens in circular supply. So let's double check the fundraising rounds. Another sad story, guys. Yes, seed round March 21, 5x still dead, guys. These funds, 11 funds, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 and Angel. Seed round was $3. After that, $1, $3. So it just I don't want to even imagine if we will drop to the $1 or $3. It's gonna be just mind blowing. That's why, guys. Unfortunately, it can happen. It can happen because that guy's in crazy profit. And imagine the guys who invest in a pre-seed round, you know, in profit like 1,500% gains at this current moment. Invest in shadow don't make sense to check the invest in shadow because basically 94%, 95, almost 95% tokens unlock it. It's less than 10 million. So let's say 10 million, no, 9.5 million. So $100, right? It should be the 1 billion market capitalization. Yes. So let's take a look the chart. Here the capitalization being like 1 billion market capitalization, around 1 billion at $150 price. So yes, now like 95, right? 95 around here is going to be 1 billion market cap. So it's sad, guys. It's really sad. And at the top, it was like 1.2 billion market capitalization. And imagine if we hit, let's say like 200, right? It could be like over than 2 billion market capitalization. It's sad. It's really, really sad, guys. So take a look at their gains, you know, in last cycle. So just approximately we can count 6,000% gains. So this cycle, I don't know, would be happy if if we move at least 1,000% gains here. Yes, even hard to imagine. So we will hit these targets. This one, I don't know, guys. What should happen? So we're gonna hit the 10,000% gains, over than 10,000. I don't know. Everybody should join the GameFi sector and invest in Illuvium. So yes, around here it's possible. So keep more conservative price targets like 3,000% gains, $300 and 10. Unfortunately, yes. So the time changes, right? And if in March 24 we traded at here at $94, the lowest point, or $161, it was more realistic, you know, to hit the 1,000. Now, 10,000% gains, I guess after that drop, it's sound even unreal. Yes, unfortunately, sometimes it's happened. Let's double check, guys, with my customer cassette, what's going on. ADZ, I can show you, it's a global charts. Monthly time frame here. This is capitulation since March 25. Yes, it's so sad. So sad, because Illuvium was a great GameFi project, even better than all of this brand new one like Portal or something. There was a amazing graph, right? Projects, games, and nothing. Weekly, yes, it's disbelief. So the host test tournament, MMOC cinematic in June, a host community call. Guys, we don't need that just calls, you know, to community. People lose a lot of money. You need to do something with the coin, not just do some calls and show information. So yes, we're going to the moon because of we're good games. Guys, we need new investors, new money inflow into that token, not some community calls, unfortunately. Yes. So yes, step by step, some whales invested at this token. Some yes. The lowest point was here at 1183. So we pump it, but no crazy pump. No crazy pump, guys. Globally, yes, of course, it's hard to say. If we drop, I'm not counting this week. If we drop under $9 again, it's just open space, guys. Nobody know where the token will stop. Yes, it's so sad. It's so sad. If we count, you know, like downtrend impulse, this one. So this is an impulse correction. It's weird, but even $6 possible if it's a 27 block model. If not, if we already passed the bottom, you know, so the order will be open to 85 to sweep this high. So anyway, guys, to start talking about some upside move, we need to break this high. So yes, we need to break the $70, test it, and go higher. So if we want to talk about an uptrend, I look at this chart and it's really sad. It's really sad. It's okay if you know, some scam token, some pump and dump, some meme token. It's okay, but when it's Illuvium, it's so sad. But even the GoPro, you know, the GoPro, the action cameras, even that company going to zero, the bankruptcy. So their shares go to zero also. Now the Reddit try to pump that shares, but sometimes even the giants fall. Market mood in the disbelief zone. Trade on. Let me show to trade on, guys. Buy, bounce, sell, buy back. But buy back was at $10.07. Now no signal to buy. Let's add alert to the buy signal. Maybe we'll see this one. Maybe not. Money power. We need some money inflow here, guys. Here, some money inflow was in February, like $16, $19, $17. I hope that guys accumulate, but at least once again, if they accumulate in average, like let's say $17, so at 34, 35, they can withdraw initial deposit. So just be careful and try to fix the profit together with the whales. The main money inflow on a monthly was at $12.44. So now we're at $15.26. It means at $25 they can fix the profit again. It's will be the test of low, June 21 low. Yes, we at the bottom, but guys, unfortunately, we can't trade. If we will not see the new money inflow, you know, guys, we can trade a long-term period here. And maybe after the years, the exchanges just delist it. And sometimes, yes, even the big guys who invested it can lose the money. So it's more than real. The last indicator, guys, is take profit. I guess, yes, we trade on the fundamental volume. So for the mel value is now it's 27.38. For the take profit 73.15. Exit line 82.46. Up to your own risk, guys. Up to your own risk. I better skip. Yes, potential pump like 400%. Exit line like 474. But I better skip. Or at least wait to re-enter at the buy line. Buy line $8.63. At 12 time frame, $8. Let's add alert, $8 price, buy line on 12 time frame. Maybe I will buy it. Now, guys, sad picture on the chart about Illuvium. Yes, previously I thought we gonna hit the $1,000. Now we dump it so low. That's why 300, I don't know, 446. It's gonna be just a great result for this one. If we'll see some magic happen with the gamify sector, yes, maybe the Illuvium will pump. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Illuvium. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I would show it on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Tokenomics channel. See you next time, guys.